So I'm going to go find a place to put my recorder for the night. Kind of spooky out here. Alright, I'm going to have to put the phone down for this. This tree is big enough you could take it to the other side. But I know what would happen if I walked on it. I'd be down there in that river with a gator. Because that's how I roll. I found him. Everybody knows Lisa's got to have her morning coffee before she can function. So here we go. So last night, there's a river right there. Last night I slept here. I know my truck's a mess. But yeah, I slept here. It was really nice. And I put that wedge pillow, remember I was telling you guys about my 7 back surgeries? I put a wedge pillow in there. I made it myself. Saved myself $45 by making it. My back did not hurt at all. Slept really comfortable. Be nicer if it was 35 degrees though instead of 65. But hey, 65 is better than 95. It's beautiful out here. There's a raccoon because it tore the top off, and I guess they just tear the top of the orange off and then they scoop the insides out with their hands. Pretty cool. This is a really squatchy looking area. Beautiful. Man, this area is squatchy looking. I've never been in this area before. I just thought I heard something. I hear people. That's really weird. I hear some people talking. At least I thought I did. Huh. Oh, I do hear somebody. Look at the size of that tree. Somebody's up here. I hope it ain't somebody that's gonna hurt me. Oh! I think... Marie! What are you guys doing out here? I'm just exploring. I've never been to this area before. It's pretty cool. What are y'all doing?
We're picking up some of our reporters.
Oh wow. Yeah, this area is squatchy, man.
Oh yeah, it's very rough, very primitive. You got the river.
I thought I heard some people talking. I was filming it. So I think I hear people talking. Maybe it's my imagination. It was y'all.
Have you been down to the river?
No, I've never been back here.
All right, well,
Did you just get here?
Yeah.
okay, well, you want to go take a walk?
Yeah.
We came from over there to pick up our recorders, but let's go,
Yeah, I'd love to.
go down to the river.
We're not going back down there, are we?
Come on.
Come on, Bob. Do it for Lisa.
I just came from here.
We won't kill you.
Cool. That's cool that I ran into y'all.
I know.
I'm gonna have to retread my snake boots soon.
Why?
All the walking back and forth I do.
Oh my God. How far are we talking anyway?
It's probably a mile down here. 6 miles.
It's not no 6 miles. It's too hot for 6 miles.
26 miles.
It's really pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty. Were those sticks there when you guys came through earlier? Just one of them was?
Yeah. Last time we were here, there was just the one. Now there's two.
Because this was, I wanted to take it. It's really straight.
Is it down in the ground? Oh no. Hikers probably. Maybe I'll use it. Yeah, I'll use it and then leave it. It's a nice stick. Man, there's a lot of cypress stumps out here. That looks like an accident waiting to happen. Look at them all. You trip over one of those, you'll know it. There's trails all going through here. What was that, a gator? That area over there I think is pretty big. This ground's squishy like you're gonna fall through. Have you noticed that, how the ground sinks in?
Yes, let's keep walking, you'll see.
That's pretty cool. Somebody made this, huh?
There's like a little fish camp over here.
Man, somebody went trouble, put these things out here. This is absolutely beautiful.
I like how quiet it is. Just birds. Oh, fuck.
And somebody left their chair. All kind of fishing gear. Boat. Fishing tackle and tools. Pretty cool. I don't know if I'd want to get in this boat. It's got that foam in it to patch holes. Yeah, I don't know about that. Bless you. I bet it's loud out here at night. Oh, there he is. There's the gator. Somebody's hunting blind. It's like an old bridge. It's an interesting area. That's a really old bridge, boy. Yeah, they're over 5 feet, aren't they? Those grow into trees, don't they? Looks like something got a hawk or something.
It stinks.
Don't you want those feathers? Thought I just saw some eye shine over here, but I don't see it now. So this is what my fairy lights look like in my truck at nighttime. You see I got everything closed except for where the screen is. I have fans running. And yeah, pretty comfortable. And I made this like wedge to go under my head, and now my back doesn't hurt, so I'm happy. There's a big old gator right there. That's his eyes and his nose. And that's his body. He's pretty big. So I'm going to get my recorder after it's been out here for 2 days. We'll see if it has anything on it. Yesterday I was walking back to my truck and I saw an otter come across this log. So this was camp. You can see I'm all red from hiking already and hot and sweaty. Had a good time solo camping out here. Hey everybody, I just wanted to let you know that this channel does have merch now. If you go to elisasescapades.com, and it's in the link in my description. And I have a bunch of different things up there so far, and I'm going to be putting and designing more as I go. But I tried to keep the prices down as low as I could. And I put 2 different hats because one's more expensive than the other. That way it gives everybody an opportunity to get something that they like. And there's children and youth in here as well. So I hope you like what I created, and I appreciate you all always.